What a beautiful day. What could possibly go wrong? Oh my gosh, what is that noise? Why is it buzzing? Attention everyone, there's going to be a thunderstorm. I repeat, a thunderstorm! Everybody, you must take shelter. The storm is coming in 2 minutes. I repeat, 2 minutes! Oh my gosh, what do I do? Oh no, here it comes! Yes, my umbrella! My umbrella! No! Is that a flying cat? Attention, everyone!
Brozalea, it's literally stuck in the thunderstorm.
I think I hear her screaming.
Oh my god, I swear you guys want me to die so badly. Bro, first, my umbrella, it's gone. Then I saw a flying cat, and then a thunderstorm. I don't know if it was a tornado, but it picked me up, and it was so scary.
Girl, calm down. I'm just glad that you're okay. Let's just stay here.
Yeah, and Maya brought snacks.
I'm so tired. I'm gonna go to sleep.
Yeah, I'm really full after that big hamburger, but I'm also gonna take a nap.
I'm going to sleep, but it won't be my fault if I pee the bed.
Big Mac, stop being weird for 1 second and go to bed. Let's all go to bed right now. Dang, why is bro snoring so loud?
Please let me in. I promise I won't do anything bad, please. I'm begging you. It's literally raining outside. Please, 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 please. I'm on my knees right now, but my hair is soaking wet, and now my jawline isn't straight anymore. Please, I'm begging you, Maya, be a good girlfriend. Let me in. Please, 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 please. My balls are sweating. Please, 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 please.